Namaskaram, welcome to Vastranand. In today's video, I will show the very pretty top trending designs in affordable price point with a very pretty color combinations. We have two color options in the same designs, and we have lots of 4,500 plus designs in a different category, different price points. So must be visit our website. Let's start the video. First product, you can see the very pretty, the dark magenta wine color combinations in the middle parts, and below border you receive the light peach color combination patterns. If I talk about this material, then you receive the very pretty lightweighted with our glass tissue material in affordable price point. And if I give you information of this work, then you receive the Swarovski, Jarkhan, glass work and elegant the pearl work detailings in entire the border as well as in below body parts. Here you can see the cut work border with a pearl and Jarkhan detailings. Let me show you the closely. Here you can see the glass work, Jarkhan work as well as the pearl work detailings in entire the border as well as in body part. The saree you received at just rupees 1,850 free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost. Here you can see the half and half concept, fully heavy work pallu parts, and skirt part you receive the half and half concept. Here you can see the elegant color combinations with a magenta color combination, fully heavy work blouse piece. The saree you received at just rupees 1,850 free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost. Our customer care executive number is 8154000063, Monday to Saturday morning 10 to evening 6. And if you need to see our entire collection via video call facility, then video call facility also available. So must be book your time slot one day before on your suitable timeline. And our applications are live now in Android and iOS device. And if you like our collection, then like channel, share channel, subscribe channel, our YouTube channel, must be follow our Instagram page. Daily we are launching 4 to 5 different designs in affordable price point. Here you can see the second color options, middle parts you receive the mint blue color combination, and both side upper and below border you receive the chocolatey brown color combination. Same designs with elegant hot fixing patterns and cut work, elegant border part. This saree also you received at same price point, 1,850 free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost. Here you can see the skirt part. Let me show you the closely of this work patterns. Here you can see the work detailings in entire the border as well as in body part. We are providing total 6 multi-language support: Hindi, English, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati and Marathi. Total 6 multi-language support we are providing in our customer care executive number. Here you can see the blouse piece. In blouse piece you receive the fully heavy work blouse piece. Vastram Madi, Anandam Medi. Buy now at Vastranand.in.